Radha. Welcome to our channel. I'm extremely delighted to have you here for a discussion on Holi. I've been chasing you for a long time, and finally, we get to speak with each other. How are you feeling this afternoon?
I'm feeling too good, Pallavi. Thank you so much for inviting me on this platform to have a discussion on Holi. Since Holi is a wonderful and a beautiful festival, I always love to play with colors. It
Uh-huh.
is so nice to be on this platform and discussing this with you.
Thank you so much. A pleasure all mine. All right, Radha. So, what are your views on this vibrant festival of Holi? Personally, what does Holi mean to you?
Holi for me, it's a festival of not just colors. It's a festival of, coming together, eating lots of dishes and enjoying with friends, family, and creating beautiful memories forever. And playing with
Lovely.
colors, it has its own significance.
Absolutely. I totally relate to that. All right. So since you are the school principal, Radha, and I'm sure you're wearing multiple hats, you're also a Vastu consultant and multi-talented, I would like to, apart from your professional achievements, I would like to inform my listeners that the name Radha resonates a lot with this festival, and that was one reason why I was so excited to catch up with you on this conversation. So thank you for being there. Okay, so now since you're the school principal, Radha, how does the school plan to celebrate Holi this year?
For Holi, we have a lot of plans. We start with the special assembly for children, which
Okay.
is related to Holi. And last but not the least, we play with colors with our students. They were so excited. I tell you, we had the celebration today. They were so excited. Even before we started with colors, they were already done with it. They all had colors
That's so
with them.
lovely to know. Amazing.
So it is good to see that
Yeah,
excitement in children.
right. Absolutely.
And,
Absolutely.
and as for school, we do a lot of activities. Children make rangolis.
Okay.
We have art and craft competitions
Mm-hmm.
and storytelling regarding Holi.
Mm-hmm.
We do that is we have different activities for different classes.
Uh-huh, lovely. So just like you have activities in the school, so in case during our curriculum, if this festival falls, we also conduct a lot of activities like short discussions on Holi, the picture talk activities, and
That's really nice.
yeah, and apart from that, it's like children come out with activities like coloring their palms, and taking the hand impressions on the art sheets. It just makes them feel very inclusive, and it's such a stress buster to be playing with colors in any form. So definitely,
That is absolutely true.
yeah.
That's
So
absolutely true.
yes, absolutely. So, like we have recently introduced a personality development and confidence building course, and children very much enjoy these activities basis whatever festival falls in during the time when they are enrolled with us. So it's lovely. I mean, the festival is absolutely vibrant, and you somewhere while we are conducting these activities with them, we also tend to merge, and recall our childhood in the midst of these. All right. So carrying on with my discussion, Radha, what is the importance of celebrating festivals like Holi in a school setting?
It's a very nice question, Pallavi,
Thank
because
you.
celebrating such festival, it not only creates a sense of bonding, but also inculcate social sense among children. When they come together, they play together, they organize certain things, and even if they celebrate this festival with their family, these days the schedule have changed. Children are too busy with their schooling and tuitions and extra classes. They really don't have that kind of a time with their family.
Absolutely.
So the celebrating such festivals bring them together. It gives them a sense of social security as well. When you see your elder sitting with you, and it indicates moral also. You offer food to your elders, you take care of them. So there are n number of
Absolutely.
things which come along with these festivals,
I completely
and
agree with you, Radha.
that is why it is, it makes them more important.
Absolutely. And these festivals are culturally driven. basically, like you correctly mentioned, they offer a sense of security to the children. Now, in an AI-driven environment, things have become so artificial today that people just want to create avatars. They don't want to sit with people real time and have a conversation with them. So these festivals are a perfect time to get them connected with their roots. So I completely agree with what you said, and hence it becomes all the more imperative that the generation that we belong to, we inculcate the importance of these festivals and encourage the children to participate in these festivals with the idea of caring and sharing with each other. So thank you for answering. All right, Radha. So moving on to my next question now, how do you think we can ensure that students celebrate Holi in an environmental friendly way at school?
See, it's very important, and we make sure and we make the children aware of the pros and cons of playing with
Mhm.
colors and what kind of colors they are using.
Mhm.
So we educate them regarding the importance of using
Mhm.
herbal colors and not using filthy colors like silver colors and which used to come earlier.
Right.
And moreover, we tell them about being color friendly to the other students also, so that they don't enforce colors on other children.
If they're
And
not
it
interested,
should
yeah,
be a
of course.
yeah, it should be a happy and a healthy thing playing together.
Absolutely.
Everybody should be enjoying with color. Nobody should be
Absolutely.
unhappy
Sure,
with it.
sure,
That's
sure.
how we make it.
Lovely. So basically, the use of organic colors is what we would like to propagate from our end. All right, Radha, moving on to my next question now. Are there any safety measures that you think the school should recommend to ensure a fun and safe Holi celebration?
Yes, of course, safety is very important, Pallavi, and we make sure that every child is well attended and they don't go near to water or try to play with water as it is a
Sure,
changing weather. So
sure.
we take care of the
Kids well.
safety of the
Okay,
children.
okay, sure. So thank you for that. All right, Radha, moving on to my next question now. How can students get involved in organizing or helping with the holy event at school?
For any celebration, students are very important, and especially the senior students, they are equally involved with the teachers in organizing any of the celebrations in the school. So, prior to the celebration, they are a part of the team, like what things are to be done, how it is to be managed.
Right,
So, that way, they learn organizing skills as well. And
sure.
then during celebrations, it is lovely to see how they take care of the younger children, their juniors, and how they interact and get closer to their teacher. That's fun as well. And
Sure. And I'm sure it
yeah,
must be giving them an opportunity to bond as well. So that's
yeah, and they get to
lovely.
learn to manage events like that, which in future helps them a lot, which is very
Absolutely.
important.
Sure. And like you correctly mentioned, they get an opportunity to build up their organizational skills. So that's lovely. That's lovely. All right, Radha, I'm thoroughly enjoying this conversation. So moving on, is there a dress code or any guideline for students who wish to participate in holy activities at school?
As for dress code, no, we don't have any dress code. We just ask them to come in their proper school uniform to
Okay,
play Holi.
sure.
And as for guidelines, we just tell the students to make sure that, while playing color, they don't hurt anybody and they
Sure.
don't force colors on anybody. And they
Correct.
also maintain the decorum of the school
Absolutely.
and be
Absolutely.
respectful to the elders. No matter we are playing Holi together, but they have to maintain the decorum as well.
Sure, and the line of respect has to be maintained, and I'm sure,
Yeah.
as it's quite understandable, they must be asked just to stay within the school premises. Right, Radha. So, as we are moving towards the end of this lovely and colorful conversation, I would like to know how do you plan to celebrate Holi this year with your family?
We have actually started celebrating Holi in a very beautiful manner. We all do collections from each house, and the whole colony, we get together in the park and we have all the delicacies and food and fun there. Ladies will be playing Holi with the ladies, elderly ladies with elderly ladies, children will have their own group, and we all are together. So
Okay,
it's
that's
all
amazing.
fun-filled, and we'll
Uh-huh.
all have all the whole and dance and
Uh-huh.
music and everything.
Sure. That sounds so exciting. Lovely. Lovely.
Thank you for
All
that.
right, Radha. Now, as part of the ritual, you are allowed to ask me any one question of your choice. Go for it.
And what if I would like to ask you two questions, Pallavi?
Absolutely. Pleasure will be totally
Thank,
mine. Go ahead.
thank you so much, Pallavi. My first question is about your classes, Pallavi. How colorful are your classes, and what activity you offer for the special festival in your personality development and confidence building class?
Okay, so thank you for that question, Radha. Okay, so talking about our course, this is of the many courses that we offer, like the basic communication building courses, the advanced communication courses, this one, the personality development and confidence building is one of my favorite. Okay, and what we try to inculcate through these classes is that we try to develop a leadership mindset amongst all our learners. We try to create a positive mindset. So ideally, the initial sessions pertain to mindset development because, as we all are staying in a society wherein the preconceived notions they tend to take over us a lot. As a result of which, our confidence is built basis the impressions that people around us create about us. So ideally, we aim at breaking those barriers. We conduct activities in a way that help people, start believing in themselves. So activities like affirmations, activities like, uh, one of my favorites is concentric circles activity, wherein we emphasize the importance of them, focusing a lot on their own selves. Okay, then we have the mirror activity, wherein they tend to accept themselves the way they are and strive to get better with the given talents that they have. Then we have, creative writing exercises. Then we have picture talk activities. Then we have practical activities and project work on which we emphasize a lot. It could be related to the practicality to the extent that we may ask someone to just knock the neighbor's door and say a hi to them. So the activities that we primarily focus upon are practically driven. We offer them confidence tips and we help them practice exercises around them. Confidence tips could be as simple as making an eye contact, greeting and meeting people, being proactive, you know, uh, helping out others, talking politely.
And I believe, sorry to cut you in between, but
Mhm.
I believe these little things they make a big difference in your
Huge difference.
conversation.
Correct.
These are very very beautiful points you have pointed out,
Thank you.
and
Thank you.
like
And
it's
definitely
amazing.
yeah, and definitely these small things, if they start working upon, they will go, these habits will go, and if they inculcate the right habits, through these activities, the habits that they form will go a long way in helping
Totally
them
agree.
develop a leadership mindset. So, it's high time that people stop thinking about themselves and they come out and develop that leadership skill in them to hold hand of others who are in need of them. So more often than not, we as individuals just try to limit our lives to ourselves. But what we don't understand is that we have got an unparalleled potential within us through which we can impact lives. So
That
if
is
in
true.
between these courses, we if any of these festivals fall, then we try and inculcate activities around these festivals. Like talking about Holi, we have hand impression exercises, wherein they dip their colors, dip their hand or the palm in the colors, and they make impressions. And then they may be asked to write the five strengths of theirs on the art sheet. Then we have the picture talk activity, like I mentioned. Then, they can go ahead with the conversations around holy activities. etc. So there are a lot of things that we do, a lot of practical exercises that we primarily emphasize upon. So thank you for asking that
Um,
question, Radha.
to hear that, Pallavi, and I'm really impressed. And that is very true. Being teachers, our role is to bring out the best in students. They have all these qualities, but
Sure,
they are hidden somewhere. But
absolutely.
that's our job to bring it out
Correct.
and make them
Absolutely.
blossom beautiful flowers.
Yes, absolutely. Make them
So
enjoy all colors of life for that matter. It's just about a change in mindset, a shift in mindset. And all I need from the learners is to have that zest to learn. If they are enthusiastic about learning, then sky is the limit. So a positive mindset is
you are
absolutely
doing a
important.
very good you are doing a very good job.
Thank you so much,
And last, I
Radha.
would like to know what special are you doing for this Holi? What special plans do you have for
Okay.
this year Holi celebration?
Okay, so this year one of my friends has gifted me these beautiful bangles. So I plan
Oh,
to really wear
wow.
them both on the choti and the bari holi, as we may call it traditionally. And apart from that, I make it a point to celebrate Holi in a very colorful way. Like I take the lead to prepare the delicacies, then I ensure that I take some organic colors and set a nice platter of it along with the savories, and I call my family. We exchange colors on each other's cheeks, and then we try to click a nice family picture together. So idea is just to keep the celebration going, is to keep ideas to keep the spirit of the festival alive, because I feel at least one person in the family has to take that initiative. So in my family, ideally I'm the one.
Very nice.
And more than that, Radha, thank you so much for that conversation. It was a pleasure speaking with you, and happy
Same here.
Holi!
Happy Holi. Have fun.
Have fun. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank